Hi friends. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. It's crazy world for you. Please continue supporting us by like, share, subscribe and comment. 11 facts that Sachin's fans do not like to know. Pakistani famous swing bowler Wasim Akram has his highest test innings score of 257, which is higher than world's best batsman Sachin Tendulkar's highest test score of 248. On 20th of October 1996, playing against Zimbabwe at Sheikhupura, Wasim Akram scored his highest test score 257 not out. Sachin's highest is 248 not out against Bangladesh in a test match played in Bangabandhu National Stadium. Sachin got out for duck in his first and second ODI. Sachin got out for a golden duck in his first one-day international against Pakistan. It was the second ODI of the Indo-Pak series played in Gujranwala, Pakistan. The match was played on 18th of December 1989. He got out for a duck in his second one-day international against New Zealand. It was the first match of Rothmans Cup Triangular Series played at Dunedin in New Zealand. The match was played on 1st March 1990. In both the matches he was the fourth wicket that India lost. Another interesting fact is that in both the matches he got out on the second ball that he faced. Sachin scored his first ODI run in his third ODI against New Zealand. It was the fourth match in Rothmans Cup Triangular Series at Wellington, New Zealand. The match was played on 6th March 1990. Well, we don't know how many balls he faced before scoring his first run. If any one of you knows, then please do comment in the comment section. Shoaib got Sachin Tendulkar out on the first ball Sachin faced against Akhtar. The test was played in Eden Garden, Kolkata. First Akhtar got Rahul Dravid bowled with a late reverse swing delivery. Sachin came to the crease to face Akhtar. With the similar kind of late swing delivery, Akhtar knocked out Sachin's middle stump. These two deliveries are called double jeopardy. Sachin was the third wicket to complete a hat-trick. It was the final match of Wills Trophy played in Sharjah, played on 25th of October 1991. In that match, batting first, Pakistan scored 262 runs for the loss of 6 wickets in 50 overs. Chasing 263 runs to win, India were 47 for the loss of 1 wicket at one stage. Arkib Javed got Ravi Shastri, Azhar, and Sachin Tendulkar out as LBW to get his hat-trick. India all out for 190 in 46 overs. Sachin Tendulkar's life stats against Shoaib Akhtar are 251 runs in 328 balls, with 8 dismissals, at an average of 27.14 and a strike rate of 76. Sachin got out in 90s for more number of times in one-day international matches. Sachin got out 18 times in 90s. In those 18, thrice he got out at 99, once on 98 and twice on 97. Sachin scored 49 ODI centuries. Yes, he could not reach the milestone of scoring 50 centuries in ODI. Vinod Kambli's test match average is better than Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar scored 15,921 runs in 200 test matches with an average of 53.78. His childhood friend Vinod Kambli scored 1,084 runs in 17 test matches, which included 2 back-to-back double hundreds. His test average is 54.20. Sachin was the only batsman who had to walk out on a declared match with 194 score. It happened in the first test against Pakistan playing in Multan from 28th March to 1st of April 2004. That was the same match in which Virendra Sehwag scored his first triple hundred. In that test match, India were 675 for the loss of 5 wickets when the captain Rahul Dravid declared the innings. Another disappointing part is, he just scored a double century against Australia in his previous test match. So if Sachin completed his double hundred in this match, he could have joined the team of players who scored back-to-back double centuries. His childhood friend Vinod Kambli scored a back-to-back double hundred. Debuted in 1989, Sachin took 5 years to score a first one-day century, playing against Australia in the Singer World Series tournament in Sri Lanka. Match was played in Colombo on 9th of September 1994. Sachin Tendulkar was the first batsman to be given out by third umpire, another unwanted record for the master blaster. India went to South Africa to play Test series in 1992. This incident took place in the second day of first Test, at Durban, which was played from November 13 to 17, 1992. In that match in first innings, on 14th November Sachin got run out. The out was given out by the third umpire Carl Liebenberg of South Africa. The field umpire at square leg who called for the review was Cyril Mitchley, who was also from South Africa. Brian McMillan was the bowler. John T. Rhodes was the fielder who threw the ball to the Andrew Hudson to get Sachin out. Ravi Shastri was at the non-strikers end at that time. Hope you learned something from our video. Thank you for watching.